Margaret Preston, a pioneer of Australian modernism. Margaret Preston, a prominent figure in the Australian art scene of the 20th century, is celebrated for her innovative approach to modernist aesthetics and her pioneering exploration of Indigenous Australian art. Born in Melbourne in 1875, Preston's artistic journey was marked by a relentless pursuit of creative expression and a deep appreciation for the natural world. Her work, characterized by its bold colors, intricate patterns, and strong geometric forms, continues to captivate audiences and inspire contemporary artists. Preston's early career was influenced by European art movements, particularly the Art Nouveau style. She traveled to England in the early 1900s, where she studied pottery and printmaking techniques. Her exposure to European art trends provided a solid foundation for her subsequent artistic endeavors. Upon her return to Australia, Preston immersed herself in the local art scene, becoming a leading figure in the modernist movement. One of Preston's most significant contributions to Australian art was her exploration of Indigenous Australian art. During the 1930s and 1940s, she became increasingly interested in the rich and complex visual culture of Aboriginal people. Preston was drawn to the vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and symbolic language found in Aboriginal art. She incorporated these elements into her own work, creating a unique blend of modernist aesthetics and Indigenous motifs. Preston's woodcuts and linocuts are particularly noteworthy for their technical virtuosity and their ability to convey a sense of depth and texture. She experimented with a variety of techniques, including color overlays, stenciling, and intaglio printing. Her prints often feature bold geometric shapes, vibrant colors, and intricate patterns. These elements combine to create visually striking and thought-provoking compositions. Preston's subject matter was diverse, ranging from still lives and landscapes to abstract forms. She was particularly drawn to the beauty and complexity of Australian flora and fauna. Her depictions of native flowers, such as the rock lily and the flannel flower, are particularly striking for their vibrant colors and detailed rendering. Preston's work was not without controversy. Some critics accuse her of appropriating Indigenous Australian art without fully understanding or respecting its cultural significance. However, others argued that her efforts to promote and celebrate Indigenous art were essential for its recognition and preservation. Regardless of the debate, Preston's contributions to Australian art are undeniable. Margaret Preston's legacy extends far beyond her lifetime. Her work continues to inspire and challenge contemporary artists. Her exploration of Indigenous Australian art helped to raise awareness of its value and beauty. As a pioneer of Australian modernism, Preston's contributions to the nation's cultural heritage are immeasurable.